Hey YouTube, hey TikTok, hey Facebook. This is Christina from Life According to Kay and AJ. And we just wanted to say thank you. We see there's been a couple of new subscribers added to all of my channels. And we want to say thank you so much for supporting Life According to Kay. And we hope that you guys are enjoying our independent DIY journey through camping, through projects, through nature, through everything. So we still have a goal of 200 subscribers, and we can see that we're well on our way to doing that. This week we are actually going to cover AJ's story. I got a lot of feedback on the channel about wanting to know more about AJ, see some gratuitous AJ photos, and kind of see what his journey has been like. So I'm going to go ahead and talk to you a little bit about why I got AJ, where I got him from, and how he is just as indie as I am, and how we've been interdependent together, and how this journey has worked for us. And I hope it inspires some of you guys out there. Love you all, and I'll see you guys Sunday.